Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a simple and delicious one-pot chicken which is perfect for any lazy weekday. Let's go. First, we need to have 3 pieces of chicken thigh, or you can replace it with chicken breast if you prefer. Make 2 cuts on the surface of the chickens to make it easier to cook and absorb the flavor. Seasoning it with 1 teaspoon of salt, some pepper, and paprika powder. Bring it to a mix and place it aside. Then we need to start to prep our ingredients. So we begin with finely chopped 2 cloves of garlic, slicing 1 large yellow onion. You can use red onion to replace it if you prefer. A cup of cherry tomato and cut it into half. When that is done, we prep some white beech mushroom by removing the end of cluster. You may replace it with any other kind of mushroom if you don't have it. Into a large pan with medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. When the pan is hot, we can add in the chicken thigh, which have wild flavor, and fry it until the skin turns to lightly golden. Transfer it to an empty bowl. Without any stock, we can add in the garlic and onion at once and give it a stir. Let it cook for a minute before we add in other ingredients. Then add in the mushroom, cherry tomatoes, add in 2 cups of green beans, which will give it higher protein and nutrition. Then cook until fragrant. After that, turn down the heat to medium-low. Add in the chicken thigh that we had fried just now and pour in the chicken broth. Cover and simmer it until the chicken are fully cooked. Well, your meal is ready to serve. I like to have it with quinoa, which contain high fiber. Besides, the recipe that we introduced today is low calorie and sodium. You can enjoy it without feeling any burden, and it is really easy to prepare. That's all for today. Hope you will like this recipe and may try it out at home. If you like this video, remember to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you next time. Bye bye.